In a lush, emerald-green forest tucked away in the mountains of China, there lived a talented panda named Tao Tau. Tao Tau was no ordinary panda. He was curious, creative, and full of life. Every day he embarked on new adventures, exploring the wonders of his beloved forest. Tao Tau's home was a cozy bamboo grove, where the air was filled with the scent of blooming flowers and the sound of rustling leaves. He loved waking up early to the melodies of birds singing in the treetops. As soon as the sun's golden rays peeked through the trees, Tao Tau would begin his day. One of Tao Tau's favorite pastimes was playing his guitar. He had found the instrument one day, abandoned by a traveler passing through the forest, and had taught himself to play. His paws gently strummed the strings, creating beautiful tunes that echoed through the forest. The other animals would gather around, swaying to the rhythm, enchanted by the music that seemed to capture the very soul of the forest. When he wasn't making music, Tao Tau could often be found tending to his garden. He had a special plot of land where he grew all kinds of vegetables and herbs. He was proud of his garden, where he carefully nurtured everything from juicy tomatoes to fragrant basil. Gardening brought him peace, and he loved sharing the fruits of his labor with his forest friends. But Tao Tau was not just a gardener and musician. He was also a skilled cook. Using the fresh ingredients from his garden, he would whip up delicious meals that delighted everyone who tasted them. His famous bamboo stir-fry was a particular favorite, and the aroma of his cooking would drift through the forest, drawing animals from far and wide. Tao Tau was also a dedicated practitioner of Chinese Kung Fu. Every afternoon, he would practice in a secluded clearing, where the sun filtered through the trees, casting a warm glow on his training space. With every kick and punch, he moved with grace and precision, his movements reflecting the harmony of nature around him. The other animals watched in awe, inspired by his discipline and strength. Despite his many talents, Tao Tau remained humble and kind. He always made time for his friends, whether it was teaching the younger animals how to play guitar or helping them with their own gardens. He believed that sharing his skills brought everyone closer together, and that was the true magic of the forest. As the day drew to a close, Tao Tau would sit by the river, watching the sun set over the horizon. The sky would be painted in shades of pink and orange, and Tao Tau would smile, content in the knowledge that he had made the most of his day. He would hum a soft tune, the notes mingling with the gentle flow of the river, a final gift to the forest he loved so dearly. And so, in the heart of the forest, surrounded by friends and the beauty of nature, Tao Tau lived a life full of joy, adventure, and harmony. A life as vibrant and unique as the panda himself.